But here in Houston, I would say that some of the pros when it comes down to solar would be, being able to take advantage of those actual tax credits. I look at solar as like the ticket to being
Yeah.
able to have access to net metering, where you're able to sell your excess power back to the grid and get paid for it depending on the market rate. Different tax credits that are out there for the homeowners where you can have, that 30% taken out right up front and be able to not have to worry about the full, I guess you could say, investment for the system. It's almost like buying a house and getting 30% towards your actual down payment. Then, some of the cons, I would say that when people that get involved with it don't have their system properly designed, that can be a very tough thing for homeowners to deal with, because when you don't have your system designed properly and your consumption is not properly calculated, it can cause your system to be undersized.
For sure.
And one of those things is now you're being taken advantage of by the monopolies that are out there, which are those people that control the grid, and you're continuing to pay